What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm in the mountains over here in the woods. Beautiful, sun is setting down. I'm going to put to the test another gadget right here, ring fire. Let's see what it does. Okay, let's open it up, see what it's all about. Super cheap fire starter with the steel right here. Obviously we'll have to scrape it up, but it strike off a lot of sparks, that's for sure. So this is several feet of fire cord. Why is this fire cord? Because you can cut this off. So let's say you cut off this fire cord, then you pull out this red string, because it's pretty flammable. There you go, pull it out all the way. Fluff it up really good. And let's see how hard it will be to start the fire with this. Let's stack it. Just strike it like that till it slides up. Boom, and you got here fire cord, string that is going to burn for a while. And obviously you know what to do next. Because it's burning so long, you can add on some small grass twigs, maybe some dry leaves, and you got here really nice candle in the forest with abundance to set stuff on fire to keep it going. And the best part, you have here rope, which is a lot of uses for camping and survival. And also if you need a little bit of fire starter, just cut off a piece, boom, you can start a fire really easily. So fire cord is amazing, but this thing even better. I love that it's sold together. Well, you open it up like this and you can scrape it up a bit. This is like a candle, look at that. You don't even have to take it out. So you scrape it up, fluff it up like this. Hopefully you guys can see. And then I need a little bit of strike. And then it's going to light up. And the coolest part is you can open it and now it's like a candle, and then you can close it to make a smaller flame and not waste it as much. Then you can open it and easily light up twigs and fire with bunch of different things. You can put it down and just put twigs right on top of it or next to it to get it on fire. Little twigs, maybe leaves. Make sure the leaves are dry. Makes sense, right? Makes sense, right? You got a little fire, but then this thing you can take it off and close it and make a smaller flame. Now that it's going pretty good, you can actually adjust the flame. I really like that a lot. Make it bigger. You see how this stuff burned out? You can add on to it again. It's gonna burn really wet stuff as well. You don't have to worry about this thing burn out. And once this thing is on fire, you can take it off. You see how it's burning really good, and close it. I think it's pretty good buy, because you got here a really cool fire cord beside having the power cord and a rope for so many uses in survival situation. You get a little fire starter, probably the cheapest out there, but it's still pretty good quality because it's giving off ton of sparks. As you could see, I light up fire cord really easily, and this live fire was pretty good too. It's definitely a good buy for survival situation. You can add to your survival kit. Really like these things a lot together. But anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think about this survival gadget? Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.